Hello students and welcome to my channel Sriram Edutalks. So in today's class we are going to learn how to prove numbers like root 2 or root 3 to be irrational. Now इसको प्रूव करने के लिए हमें एक थ्योरम का इस्तेमाल करना होगा which states that let p be a prime number if p divides a square, then that will imply p will divide a also. For example, if I say that 2 is a prime and 2 divides 36, or I can write if 2 divides 6 square, then that would imply the same prime number will divide 6 also. So if 2 divides 6 square, that is 36, then 2 will divide 6 also. Right. So we are going to make use of this while proving. Now let us start with the proof. ये proof हम करने वाले हैं by the method of contradiction. So let us assume root 2 to be rational. So in contrary to the fact, let us assume root 2 to be rational. Now if root 2 is rational, then I can write root 2 to be equal to some a by b, where I can say that a and b have no other common factors other than 1, that is where a and b are co-prime. Also, the denominator should not be equal to 0. Now, if I cross multiply, I will get b root 2 is equal to a. Next, I will do squaring both sides. So, I will get root 2 square 2b square is equal to a square. Now, if some number can be written as 2 into some other number, then I can say that 2 divides this number a square. Now I will make use of the previous theorem. So if 2 divides a square, then that will imply 2 divides the number a as well. Now, if 2 divides a, then I can write a to be equal to 2 into some number c for some positive integer c. For example, if I am saying 2 divides 18, then can't I write 18 as 2 into some number 9? So therefore, if 2 divides a, then I can write a as some 2 into c for some positive integer c. Now, if I substitute this value in equation number 1, I will substitute the value of a here and I will get, putting value of equation 2 in equation 1, I will get b root 2 is equal to, in place of a, 2c. Next I will do squaring both sides again, just to get rid of this root. So this will now become 2b square is equal to 4c square, 2 ka square, root 2 ka square. If I cancel with common factor, I am left with b square is equal to 2c square. Now this is a situation similar to this. So as I wrote, if a square is equal to 2b square implies 2 divides a square. Likewise here also, if b square is equal to some 2c square, then I can write 2 divides b square. And if 2 divides b square, that will imply 2 will divide b also. Okay, here we get a contradiction because यहाँ पर हमने कहा 2 divides a, that means 2 is a factor of a, और यहाँ पे हम कह रहे हैं 2 divides b, that means 2 is a factor of b as well. So this means that we have arrived at a situation where 2 is a common factor of both a and b. 2 is common factor of both a and b. Now this is a contradiction. Why? Because as you can see, I have initially only assumed that a and b are co-prime, which means they have no other factors common except 1. So next we are going to write that now we get a contradiction. So this, after this you will write this contradicts the fact that a and b are co-prime. This contradicts the fact that a and b are co-prime. Now this contradiction basically has come up because of our incorrect assumption. This contradiction has arisen because of our initial incorrect assumption that root 2 is rational. So ये कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन हमारी आई है बिकॉज हमने शुरू में कुछ इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट अज्यूम करी थी, विच इज root 2 being rational. So if root 2 is not rational, then it must be irrational. So last of all I will write hence root 2 must be irrational. Hence your proof completes. We have proved that root 2 is irrational. So students, that's all in today's class. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel Sriram Edutalk and don't forget to press the bell icon.